I'm just preparing. Okay, here we go.
Hi, I've seen your responses for the vocal cord bleeder, where it's just an outburst of the vocal cord bleeder, but I want to show you a cycle that builds up to the vocal cord bleeder from mild to medium to vocal cord bleeder and then back down through the cycle to settle down. So let's just roll it.